can see. I'm just going to save just a default image. And I'm going to upload. So this is for the brown shoe. You have size 40 color brown. If it's size 40 color black, we have 2 of this. And I can set this one to 5,000. Let me look for another image. So I'm just going to do this too, but we all get the drill. So I'm going to add the image for the color black. And we have black here. And I'm selling this one for 5,000. And I have just 2 in stock. So I have one of brown and I have one of brown and I have 2 of the black. That's how you're going to set for each of your variation. If you have different price, different quantity, that's how you're going to do it. And I can just click save changes. So here I can add the product image. I'll use the black one. Then for product gallery, I can select this and this. So we have 2 images in our gallery. So we have this right here. Then I'll update this product. So if we come to this product now, and you see it's from 3,500 to 5,000. So if I want to select what size do I wear, size 40, because I did not add products for other variations, they won't show here. I didn't add for size 42 or size 43. And what color do I wear? Brown. This shoe right here, and the shoe is for 3,500. If I change it to black, you can see it's 5,000 and it's updated right here. So I can add this to my cart. I only have 2 in stock. I can add this to my cart and I can view cart. So I have this flat shoe, size 40, black in stock. So this is how you create a variable product in WooCommerce. Because of time, I'm sorry, I have to rush you to creating this product. I didn't create for other variation of this particular product. But if you want to add more, you just go to the variations and you click size 43. You set the price for it. So I can easily just do that. Let me set 4,000 for this, and I have 6. And for this, I'll set 7,000. And I have 10. And for this, I'll set 1,500, and I have just 1. And for this, I'll set it to 2,200, and I have just 3. When you're done, remember to save changes and you update your product. So now if you go back to this product, you see it's now from 1,500 because I can select size 42 and I can select black, which is 2,200. I can select brown, which is 1,500. So this is how you set up a variable product in WooCommerce. So let's go back to our dashboard so I can show you how to set up payment. We use Paystack. If you will need to register on Paystack to get what is called a key in order to use payment gateway. But I'll just show you how to set up, how to install the plugin. Yeah, and I'll take questions. So I'll go back to plugins and install the plugin. I'll do add new. Then you can just search for Paystack. So this is the one, because you're using WooCommerce, you need this Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. And I'm going to install. Click on install. It says installing. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time to install on my local. Okay, so I've installed and I closely activate. I've activated it, so I'll go back to my WooCommerce. You go to settings, and under payments, I can now enable Paystack, and I'll save changes. But because I've not entered, I've not configured my Paystack settings, you're seeing that I need to configure the details here, which is under payments. I need to put in my key for test. Let me see if I have any that saves. Okay, so I don't have anyone saved here. This won't be correct. There's a test. Chrome is not remembering anyone. But you need the two keys you get from Paystack to configure this, your test key and your public key. When you're ready to go live, you just uncheck this option so your payments can go directly into your own account, and you click on save changes. This won't work because it's not correct. But if you have this correctly set up on your cart page, when people check out, when they go to product and they visit your cart page, for example, let me click here and I go to my cart. I have two products here, and I go to the checkout page. You will see the option for Paystack here. Make payments using debit card, which is Paystack payments. And when you click on place order, you see the option to input your card details and things like that. So I'm going to round up here, and I'll take questions if you have any concerning this. Olamide, over to you.
Thank you, Tony. I believe that we have learned something. I personally have questions. Maybe I'll start with the question. What's the time? So we have about 15 minutes to ask questions. My own question is this. You know my question, but let me ask. There might be people here. So I
Okay.
actually personal website.
Okay.
You know, I want to install WooCommerce on it. I want to be able to have maybe olamideyellow.com/shop.
Yes.
How do I
Yes.
do that? Do I need to install the template, or all I just need to do is install WooCommerce and do all of this thing?
So by default, when you install WooCommerce plugin, it sets up pages for you. I showed this earlier. So you have pages set up for you by default. This pages comes with WooCommerce, like the cart page. If you remember when we opened this page, when we activated our own template, we didn't have these pages, this checkout, we didn't have carts, we didn't have my account, we didn't have shop page. So if I go to my own website now, I have these pages there. So if I click on cart, I go here, you see like I have a cart page. If I go to /shop, you'll see all the products. We have two products, right?
Regardless of the templates used.
Regardless of the templates. Once you install WooCommerce will install these pages for you. This cart page, this checkout page, this my account page, and the shop page. My account page is where you see my details. I can see my previous orders. I can see my addresses. I can see my payment method. That's my account details.
Okay. I think this works. Does anyone else have a question? Let's have.
I have a question.
Have to unmute your mics now. Please, Miriam, go ahead.
Okay. First of all, thank you for the lecture. Please, can you explain how you opened after installing? And that when you were displaying that part, it was still showing your folder. So if you can go over it again, how you opened this page, this WordPress page, the app after installing.
Oh, okay, you installed Bitnami?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so if you installed Bitnami, you go to the folder. Let me just walk you through it. So if you go to the folder, do you know the folder where Bitnami is installed on your site, on your computer?
Yes.
Okay, so you see when you click that folder, so let me go to my own root folder. You see WordPress 5.4.2, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, you click on that WordPress, you see other folders, then you see apps, right?
Yes.
App is the second one. When you open app, you see WordPress.
Okay.
Right? Can you see the WordPress?
Yes.
What? Okay, when you see WordPress, when you open WordPress folder, you have folders and you see a folder called HT Docs. Right? Yeah.
Okay.
That is where your WordPress is installed.
Okay.
If you but if you want to launch your own Bitnami, if you want to launch it so it can show, you back out. So go back to the root folder, just go back to Bitnami and open WordPress 5.2 where you see all the folders, and you see a particular application called manager-window.exe. Can you see the app?
Come again. What did you call it?
Manager-windows.exe.
Okay.
You can see it.
Yes.
So when you click that one, you use it to launch your WordPress, so you can see your installation on your local server.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, does anyone else have a question? Yinka. So there are two Yinkas here. Yinka Atiba, Yinka Taiwo, Shegun, Ujowa. So I want to believe every one of us. Do we need the video? Do you need me to send the link to the video?
Oh, no, I have no questions. No question.
Okay. So Toyin, if we have questions, can we, if they start installing, if we have questions, can we get in touch? Sell yourself now.
Yes, sure. If you have any problem, if you have any question installing this or any clarification on how to set up the local server, you can send an email to toyin@toyinalabe.com. Then I can, or you can send to my Gmail. Yeah, Olamide will share my Gmail email with you. I mean, you can get quick response from that. So you can direct the questions to Olamide and she can.
No. Let them reach out to you, Toyin.
she can sort that out.
It is social media now. So I'll just.
So you can. Yeah.
NIYOLT.
YOTLA. Yeah.
IOTLA@gmail.com.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll also be sharing the link to this video when you're stuck. Well, I'll also be reaching out to Toyin because I'm also a learner. Thank you all for joining, Toyin. Do you want to tell us about Source Studios so that if they want to build other websites or other, so we have how many minutes more? We have 5 minutes more, so we can.
Yes. So we are a web design agency. We work remotely, basically. So we don't really have a physical address. So we help small businesses and small and large businesses, but we are more focused on SMEs. We help them set up their web presence. So if you want a company website or like an e-commerce store, like we walk you through a professional site where you can have sell your products, or you just want something to put yourself online, your portfolio. If you're a blogger, you want to set up like a news, we are here for you. So you can always check us out at sourcestudiosng.com.
All right, so that's all about that. Please follow Excel Plays. Subscribe to that YouTube channel that we sent to you. We'll have more resource. Next training will be in July, and it is really focused on accounting for small businesses. So thank you all.